could speak all the languages of earth and of angels, but didn't love others, it would only be a noisy gong or a clanging cymbal. If I had the gift of prophecy, if I understood all of God's secret plans and possessed all knowledge, if I had such faith that I could move mountains, but didn't love others, I would be nothing. If I gave everything I have to the poor and even sacrificed my body, I could boast about it, but if I didn't love others, I would have gained nothing.
Lauren, I stand here today in front of both of our friends and family with a full heart and no doubts. I'm here to give myself to you and to you only, to give you all of my love for the rest of our days, to promise to always support you, that I will never become complacent or take you for granted, to promise to laugh with you during the good times and to be your shoulder to cry on during the bad. I promise to always consider your point of view and respect your opinion. I will work every day to make you feel loved and to make both of our dreams come true. Braden loves you as much as I do. I know our future as a family will be full of love, laughter, and great memories. I always keep faith in you and our family, and most importantly, in God's plan for us together. I trust you, I respect you, and I love you.
It's hard to believe our day is finally here. When you asked me to be your wife 18 months ago, I knew in that moment I was going to marry and share my life with my very best friend. Since then, our relationship has grown stronger and our love that much deeper. You're my constant. You're my strength and you're my joy. I know our life together will be full of beautiful opportunities, and I know we may face some challenging disappointments. These things I promise you, though. Promise to listen to your frustrations and be understanding when we disagree. Be your teammate. I will support you, comfort you, and encourage you. Promise to celebrate your triumphs, but more importantly, I promise to love you relentlessly through your failures. On our greatest days and on our worst days, I promise to be faithful to you and only you. Today, we've become a family of 3. Promise to love and support and care for Braden as my own. Promise to respect you as the leader of our home and be the wife that helps teach Braden what it means to be a man of God. Promise to love you with my whole heart, my whole life. You and I are truly a perfect match. 50 years from now, when we look back at this day, I know that you were the best decision I made. This right now is the start of our forever. I love you.